Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a makeup haul, affordable makeup haul. So yeah, if you want to see what makeup I bought recently, then keep on watching. All the items that I have here are very affordable, so I bought them in different places and I had to wait a little bit till they arrived because I really wanted to film this video because I haven't filmed a makeup haul in a very long time, and I wanted to share with you guys what I recently purchased. So let's do this. Alright, first I'm going to start with this BH Cosmetics brush. This is a vegan brush and is their V2 brush, and it says vegan pointed blending brush. And I did purchase a vegan brush from them like a while ago. It's a pencil brush, but I feel like it is a little bit too stiff, if that makes sense. So I don't really like that brush, but it was so cheap. It was like €3.50 or something like that, and this was €4.50. And I don't know why they are so cheap, because it's BH Cosmetics. I mean, yeah, it's affordable, but €4.50, and this is super soft. Wow. You can use this to apply your bronzer or your blush, or even to set your foundation. The fact that this is vegan is amazing and it feels super soft, so I already like it. Next I have another brush. This is from Wet n Wild and is their small concealer brush, and this was only €2. I use this to cut my crease, also to do the halo eye makeup, and it's perfect. It's perfect. Also, you can tap the color on your lids, but I love it because it's so small and so precise. So I should probably buy more of these because they are so good. Also from BH Cosmetics, I got these 3 eyelights, and it says waterproof eye color. So basically they are cream eyeshadows, and I think they are a dupe for the Stila Magnificent cream eyeshadow. I don't know how they are called, but I think they are a dupe. These are €8.25 each. And also I got them from Beauty Bay. They had like 5 colors, but 2 of them were sold out, so I got 3 of them. So I got the color Fresh. I have this one today on my eyes, and I have to say that they dry very quick, so you have to work fast. And I tried to do a halo eye makeup, but it was more like a fail. So yeah, I have to play with them because it was a struggle to achieve that perfect cut crease halo, you know, in there. But they are so beautiful, so beautiful. So I already swatched this on my hands because as I said, I use this, and I have glitters all over me. And also when it's dry, if you go and blend like other shadow on top, the glitters will fall, so be aware of that. But the color is so beautiful. So this is like a yellow. No, this is a yellow, but it has purple iridescent glitters. So as I said, they dry very fast. I don't know if you can see the glitter, like the purple glitter, but oh, so beautiful. Next I have PSYCH. And this is the purple one. It's so beautiful. I wanted to use this today, but I said no, I'm going to use the yellow one because yellow. Look how beautiful this is. Let me swatch it. And I don't know exactly if they are a dupe for the Stila one, but in my opinion they look very similar. And this is in the shade GNARLY. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but this is such a beautiful green blue shade. I don't even know what shade is this. Look how beautiful this one is. So beautiful. I cannot wait to play with them. And as I said, on my eyes it looks wet, and I really love that wet effect. Also from BH Cosmetics, I got 2 blushes. One is more like a bronzer blush, and this is like a peachy pinkish blush. And oh my god, these are €4.75, and honestly I don't know why they are so cheap. I don't understand. And also they have very good reviews. So they are the floral blush, and yeah, it says do CHIC color. I got the Bahama browns, and as I said, this is more like a bronzer than a blush to me, or maybe a bronzer topper, I don't know. Look how beautiful this is. I see a lot of glitter right here, but yeah, I like it. I have to play with this. Of course, I have to apply this on my face to see if I like it or not. Let me swatch it. But it's so pretty. So not a lot of glitters comes out, but yeah. Oh, actually it's very pretty. Oh yeah, so pretty. I don't know if you can see the sparkle or the glitter, but it doesn't have a lot of glitter. It's more like a shimmer, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm so bad at explaining things. So yeah, this was Bahama Bronze, and this one is in the shade Caribbean Coral, and this is more like a pinky, peachy. As I said, it has a little bit of pink and peach. And let's see how this is. Feels very soft. Wow, this is very pink, so it's not really my cup of tea, but I can just use only the peach side. So pretty. So yeah, this is more like the peachy side, and this is like all mixed together. They feel a little bit powdery, I'm not gonna lie. I know it's super random, but next I have a lip balm. This is with aloe vera, and this makes my lips so soft, so juicy, if that makes sense. They feel so, I don't know, plumped, if that makes sense. And it doesn't have any plumping effect, but yeah, I don't know how to explain this. They also have one with cactus and another one with, I have no idea, but it had 3 options and I choose the aloe vera one, and oh my god. And this was 99 cents, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. No, this is 70 cents. I have to get the cactus one because this is amazing. So yeah, I think this was a great discover. And again, super random, I have this tea tree deep cleansing nose pore strips, and this is from Beauty Formulas and it says Australian. And oh my god, I can't explain how deep this cleans your nose, if that makes sense. This removes everything. For a very long time I used the Nivea one. These are the refining cleanup strips, and in my opinion I think the Beauty Formula is 10 times better than the Nivea one because this removes everything. So this is a pack of 6 strips, and this was only €1. Isn't that crazy? €1. So yeah, as I said, this removes everything. It says instantly lifts out dirt, oil and grease, removes blackheads, unclogged and tightened pores. Again, amazing discover. Next I have 4 lip liners, and they are by the brand City Color. And oh my god, $1.99 each, and I can explain how creamy they feel on my lips. And also they are very large, so I feel like you get a lot of product in here. And $1.99, wow. And also they are cruelty free. So I got the Dusty Rose. They feel super creamy, trust me. Yeah, this looks like a burgundy kinda. Next I have Cocoa, and this is the darkest one. So they feel super creamy. You can see how easy they glide on my hand, and also they are very pigmented. Next I have Cinnamon. They are so creamy. And the last one is in the shade Cashmere, and this is the lightest. Again, amazing discover, and I feel like I had to dig in, like the website where I bought all these crazy affordable items. I had to dig in to find them because I feel like they are kind of hide in there. So if you live in Spain or Portugal, the website is called Primor. I'm going to link it right here. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. My channel is way too small to do sponsored videos. Anyway, So the website is called Primor, so they have amazing products. Like, you have to search for them because I feel like I spent like half a day to find all these crazy affordable items. So yeah, next I have a lip kit and it's by the brand Lovely. It says matte liquid lipstick and lip liner, and I think the shade is Sweetie. And look how cute this lady is right here on the box. So yeah, it has a matte lipstick and a lip liner. And again, this was €2.99. Isn't that crazy? So this is how the kit looks like. It's very similar to the Kylie Cosmetics one, I think. I'm going to swatch them on my hand. Oh, this feels so creamy. So cute. And this is the matte lipstick. So it has a doe foot applicator. Very normal. Oh. Feels very light on my hands, so they are the exact same color. But yeah, of course I have to try them on my lips to see how they feel, to see the formula. So very cute. Next I have a bronzer. This is by the brand Pink Duck London, and actually I didn't know that they have makeup. I do have nail polish from this brand, and I didn't know that they have makeup as well. So it says ALOHA bronzing powder, and I think it's a little bit too dark for me, but of course I have to play with this to see how it looks on my face. And this is cruelty free, which is amazing. Let me swatch this. Oh, this feels so creamy. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too dark for me, but yeah, I don't know. I have to play with this, but this feels so smooth, so creamy. I like it. Also from the same brand, I got this pink glow shimmer highlighter eyeshadow. So you can use this as a shimmer. How you use a shimmer, I don't know, but you can use this as a highlight or eyeshadow. And is this pink highlight, so cute, and actually it's not very blinding, if that makes sense. I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong, but it's not very blinding. And also I feel like this will show very pink on my face, so I think I'm going to like this more like a blush topper when I would love to have like a glow on my cheeks. And of course I have to try them on my face to see if I really like them or not, but the price is great. Next I got this Pretty by FLORMAR pressed powder, and I got this in the shade Ivory, and I feel like this will match me, but I really want to get the Milani one, the setting powder, pressed powder, but it's always sold out, so I said why not, let's try this one. Yeah, I hope it's good, and let me try this. So this doesn't feel very creamy. I feel like this will be a little bit too powdery. Where do I swatch this? Yeah, you can see. So I feel like this will be a little bit too powdery for my liking, but again I have to apply this on my face to see if I like it or not. This smells a little bit perfumey, but it's not very intense. And then I have a few products that I keep repurchase them because they are good. I really like them. So I have the Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. This is from Makeup Revolution. I really like this. I don't know if this really makes my makeup last longer, but I like how this melts the powders on my face, if that makes sense. Next I have this Top Brow Fine Precision Brow Pencil. This is by the brand Kiss New York, and I really love the formula of this pencil because I feel like it's not too creamy, it's not too waxy, it's not too dry, and also this lasts me a very long time. This is the second one I purchased, and I feel like it's because of the formula is not too creamy, that's why this lasts longer. So yeah, this was the most expensive item, I guess. This was €8.90, but I really love it. I got this in the shade Deep Dark Brown. And the last item on this haul is this Brows Gel Creator Color and Shape. This is by the brand Lovely, and I got two of them because they are so cheap. €1.99 each, and I really like this. It's not amazing, this doesn't hold my little hairs all day in place, but I like it because I feel like it has a little bit of shine. I don't know how to explain this. It has color. This is a dark brown, but also I like the one that's super small and very precise. But I don't know if you can see, but it has a little bit of shine, and that makes my eyebrow hairs look very natural. Even if I apply a little bit too much powder or pencil, this makes my eyebrows look very natural, if that makes sense. So yeah, you can see a little bit of shine in there. So that's why I love this one. As I said, it doesn't hold my little hairs in place all day, but I like it because it has a little bit of shine and also the color matches me. Alright, so that's it. This is the makeup that I recently purchased. A few of the items I already tried them, like the nose strips, pores, the lip balm, and also the eyebrow pencil. And yeah, most of these products I haven't touched them. I'm excited to try them to see how they perform on my face, and I am hoping that this bronzer will work for me. I really think this is a little bit too dark for me, but I hope I can make this work. And also I'm curious to see how this pink highlight will look on my face. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. A long time. I'm fired. I'm sorry, I'm fired. Yes, cream eyeshadows are shadows. Isn't that insane? Called City Chic Liner Lip Liner.